So I love a glowy face. And that's why I want to try this Sicily Pro Tint Primer. This is the glowy version. This was gifted to me from the brand, but as always, I will give my honest opinion. So I'm going to just apply this on because I don't have anything on. I just have my base, like moisturizer on. And I'm about to do my makeup. So I figured I would bring you guys in and just show you. So just put a little bit. So I'll show you on the back of my hand too. So you're going to find that this is a lightweight primer. And this is definitely going to give you that glow that you want. I always want to glow. I find that it looks good even if I don't have anything on. That I can just give it a slight go. And especially being like fair skin, you're going to be able to see too if this leaves you any like white cast or anything like that. And I don't see any. I have a mirror down here. That's where I'm looking. But all I know is that this is giving me a beautiful glow. This has a beautiful like light floral scent too. This is going to be non-sticky, greasy. But this is giving me some beautiful glow. And I'm going to actually put on some base. And this is going to shine through just beautifully. So this is like a beautiful like almost like a slight rose gold color. So this will really work with any skin tone. There's also too, and the same like with most Sisley products, this has great skincare ingredients too. This has their Ideal Skincare Complex, which has cucumber extract, glycol complex, which has green lentil extract, which extract and illuminate with buckwheat seed extract, peach blossom extract, and a bunch of other great science that Sisley has in all the products. So if you're looking for a great primer, this is it.